Hi guys, this is Tamara Hergert. I'm going to show you how to create a pin today. So this is Empowered Artist Pinterest account and board. So we will take a look at how I created this pin for artworks. So this is one of my artworks. I'm showcasing it here just so you can see an example. And so I'll show you how I created it. So I go to canva.com and here I go to home, and you can find Pinterest from the menu here. Pinterest pin. So Pinterest pin, and there are a whole bunch of templates that come up. So I have a Canva Premium, but there are a whole bunch of free templates that are available and that are wonderful. So let's take a look. So I'm gonna use this pin because I like the template, and I'm gonna extend this down, and I'm gonna delete this black part. So I'm gonna shift all of this down. I'm gonna say here, learn about this painting, exclamation point, and make it larger. And I'm gonna say painting of a horse. Okay, and so shift everything down a little bit to give myself more room. And here from my uploads, I'm gonna grab first, so I'm gonna delete this lady first, plug in my close-up shot, and I'm gonna animate it. I'm gonna use breathe animation. So that's a very nice animation, just kind of creates this really cool effect. So, and you can see that it's 5 seconds. I don't really want 5 seconds of slow animation. I need it to be 2. So I'm gonna be changing it to 2, or just like that. Toggling works better. 2. Great. So next, I'm gonna duplicate the page, duplicate, and go back to my uploads. And next one is gonna be, actually, I'm gonna plug in the full size image into one of them. So something like this. And so that's going to be, so that's number 1, number 2, and that's going to be number 3. And I'll delete this one, plug in the interior shot. Make sure that it's centered. And here you go. So that's done. And then one more, duplicate. And then a picture of me sitting here painting nicely. Okay, all right. So one last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure that they're all animated. So breathe to 5 to 2, then it's already set to 2, and that's already set to 2. So look, I'm gonna preview this, see if it works for me. Kind of does. So, and I'm gonna download it. So I'll download this as a video file. And once it loads, I'm gonna go into Pinterest and create my pin. So create my pin. And that's my video that got loaded. So and here I'm gonna select my my video that I've just created, and that's the video. So I'm gonna upload it, and once that's done, I'm gonna title it horse painting oil on black walnut by Tamara Hergert. Okay, and I will tell people about the painting. So I will just go and grab my painting description from my website. So I'll be right here. There you go. If it's too long, I will delete some parts. Like this. Cool. And then I'll add tags. So tag part is important because that's how it will get found. So instead of me categorizing it as just painting or oil painting, I will go put it somewhere where it will get found by my buyers. And who would be my buyer? It would be a person who is trying to decorate their house with farmhouse style type of decor. So it would be farmhouse decor, farmhouse kitchen. I would be modern farmhouse, and I would also put it into design, maybe interior design, because designers might see it. And then also I would just put it under oil painting, horse painting, and horse painting. Okay, so, and then I would add the destination link to the website where I have it. And also, a very neat feature is that if I were posting this pin from my account that has my website linked to it, basically, as if you have a Pinterest business account, you when you set up your account, you put your website a link as part of the setup of the account, and so I could tag my products here. That would be a little tag here in this menu, and so that's a super nice feature as well. So I would just click publish, and it would go live and publish just like that. So I'm not going to click publish because it takes a while for it to spin and actually publish on my board. So I'll just go back here and show you what it looks like once once it's done. Looks super nice. And it looks just exceptionally good in a stack of pins that are static. Okay, all right, so now you know the secret how to create a video pin that will attract the right buyers for you. I hope this was helpful, and please follow us on Pinterest and share this if you like it. Okay, see you, and all the love and success to you, and I'm wishing you the best today and every day. So bye, my friends.